Welcome to Update 1 on now Tropical Storm Ida, which formed into a tropical depression earlier this morning and has since been upgraded to a tropical storm based on reconnaissance data of potentially up to even 50 miles per hour at this point, due to the reconnaissance data that they found just an hour ago. Taking a look at the satellite imagery on this storm, as you can see, a nice convective blow up just off the coast of Jamaica and Cuba. Looking a lot better than it did this morning, as it wasn't even a system earlier this morning, and now it is a tropical storm of 40 to 50 mile per hour winds. Taking a look at the current NHC cone forecast, you can see that this is expected to turn into a hurricane just up, all the way up into landfall for Louisiana or Mississippi, and is expected to get up to 110 or maybe even 115 miles per hour according to the NHC, which is just bordering that Category 3 line. Expected track from the model guidance, or the spaghetti models. As you can see, a very track leaning more towards the eastern side of central Louisiana, which will leave New Orleans to be on the direct eastern side of the storm, leading to the worst impacts for New Orleans, which would not be good, and it is expected to make landfall the day that Katrina did. No comparisons there, although the storm is expected to be very bad and a likely major hurricane for the Louisiana coastline. Taking a look at me and the NHC's predicted intensity for the next 4 days, I have it getting all the way up to 120 miles per hour before making landfall and then weakening back down to a Cat 1, while the NHC has it getting up to 110 miles per hour and weakening back down to a tropical storm. Taking a look at the model intensity guidance, you can see that the majority of the models are taking it to a high-end Cat 1, low-end Cat 2, while a couple of them are even bringing it to a Category 3. The GFS shows a Category 3 for Louisiana, and that is one of the more major models that we really need to be looking at more than just these spaghetti models. Taking a look at the current intensity, the NHC ADT version 9 and ADT version 8 is going with 40 miles per hour, while I am going with 50 miles per hour simply for the reason that Recon found consistently 45 knot winds throughout the system, although it could be possible that it is only 45 miles per hour, but I do not agree with 40 miles per hour for the system at this moment. Potential damage index is currently a 7, as it is expected to be moving at roughly 10 to 15 miles per hour at landfall, which would lead to a 6 on the speed scale, up to 18 inches of rain in isolated areas, and up to 10 inches of rain consistently throughout southeastern Louisiana, which leads to a stage 8, a surge of up to 10 to 11 feet if the storm gets as strong as it is expected to, which would be a very catastrophic event, and winds of up to 120 miles per hour are possible for the Louisiana coastline. Thank you guys for watching Update 1 on Tropical Storm Ida. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Atlantic updates.